Hey everybody, it's the Ginger Optimist and I'm a lifestyle vlogger, and today I'm going to show you how I make my chicken thighs with potatoes, carrots, and onions in the Instant Pot. Let's do this. So the first thing I'm going to do, I've already rinsed my chicken thighs. I'm going to just put a light spray of olive oil cooking spray over them to help coat them, because I want to put them in my seasoning. I've already got the saute mode on and it's on hot, so I'll be able to get these thighs sauteed pretty quickly. I'm gonna just shake these up in the seasoning. Now I'm gonna place these in the Instant Pot and let them begin to saute, probably about 3 or 4 minutes per side. I'm going to add diced onions to the Instant Pot and let them get just a little seared before adding the other vegetables. I'm going to pour a little bit of oil that's down in the pot out. Wash out my pan and then proceed with cooking. My Instant Pot is clean again, so now I'm going to add a cup of chicken broth. I'm going to add, I've got little red potatoes, I'm going to add some of those. I'm going to add a cube of my sofrito. If you don't know how to make sofrito, I do have a video on how to make sofrito and you can watch that. I'm going to put my onions back in and add chopped carrots. These have already been scrubbed. Now I'm going to add my egg stackable steamer and use it to put my chicken on top. Now we're going to add the chicken thighs back on there. By the way, these are boneless, skinless chicken thighs. And I will put the recipe for the seasoning I used on my chicken thighs down below. Now I'm going to squeeze some fresh lemon on top of the chicken. Going to put the lid on. Make sure your venting valve is on sealed. And I've got it set for 14 minutes on manual. We'll come back in a little while and taste test our lunch. The timer's gone off, so now I'm going to do a quick release and check our chicken. The silver button has now dropped down, so we can open this up. And I want to remind you, always open it away from your face because of the hot steam. Now it's time for a taste test. My chicken's so tender. I love the flavor. Let's try a little carrot and potato. That is so good. I think you'd really enjoy this recipe. I'll leave the recipe down below, and I would love to connect with you. Please leave me comments and tell me, what have you been cooking in your Instant Pot? Or what would you like to see me cook in mine? I just want to remind you that October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and that's why I'm wearing this t-shirt, which I think is really cute, and my headband. I even found a great hand towel for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Ladies, make sure you get your mammogram. If you're 40 or older, they recommend you do it every year, and do a self-check every month. We gotta take care of ourselves. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not following me already, I hope you will. God bless. Bye.